welcome to Tenerife. And where are we?
This is the Arenas Del Mar Hotel in El Medano.
Yep, and I'll show you the view. Quite dazzling actually.
It's really dazzling actually, it's so bright, isn't it?
Really bright. It's about 5:30 in the evening.
Yeah.
We've just got here, picked a hire car up from the airport, and we seem to pick quite well.
Yeah, it's nice.
We've got a really quite nice big balcony here, drying over there. Sitting room, it's quite nice. TV, mini bar. Has the bar got anything in it? The fridge. Twin beds again, but you're going to fall down the middle there if there's any hanky-panky. Kettle. Reasonably clean.
Coffee.
Yeah, look in the bathroom. Got one of those bidet things. Big shower. One of those rainfall showers, Carol. Someone stuck the toilet down. That's supposed to tell you they've cleaned it.
I guess so.
Yeah, looks relatively clean. Yeah, should be a good base for the week, I think.
Actually, I think you might just pay extra for today. Might have to sort that.
Definitely giving off prison vibes. You just need the catch netting in the middle when the inmates start jumping off.
Yeah.
Certainly get breakfast with a view here, don't you?
It's nice.
Be even nicer when the sun's up.
Yeah.
Now our room is 4 floors directly up that way. Right, well this is the pool area. Quite nice. The pool's quite warm, isn't it?
It is. It's still not actually been in.
Yeah. Sun comes up that side and
Goes down there.
sets that side. You can't see it, but the spa and more pools are in there, look. We have got a free ticket. You get 1 ticket free to go in. And the glass areas there's where we've just had breakfast. We've just walked up from our hotel, which is that direction. Yeah, it's hotels beyond those houses, a little development there, a bit of more waste groundy type, and then you're at our hotel. And if you keep going that way is the town of El Medano. I thought we'd come and have a little discover of what's the other way. And it's pretty barren, and I'd say volcanic. Saying this is supposed to be the windiest part of the island.
Very still
It's
today.
very still. Supposed to be a big windsurf and kite surfing area off our hotel, but the only board that was on the water last night was a powered one, wasn't it? And he was really shifting. Yeah, made it to the sea. Just fascinating looking what the geological past of this island was, isn't it? I mean, there's actual boulders stuck in. Looks more like sandstone. I think it displays a very violent history, don't you? It's a real quite nice spot just here, isn't it? But I'm being a little bit cautious where I point the camera.
There appears to be naked people wandering
There appears
around.
to be naked people on this beach, so we don't know whether we've found a secret naturist beach.
I don't think it's particular. I think it's just this one guy that's
Exhibitionist, letting it all swing. It's a warm
walks
day.
into that water.
Yeah. Where we've just walked up from is the Montana Plada, which is a 2,500 metre former volcano. Oh, and we're under a flight path as well. But it doesn't. Carol, it's a diggy. That's one big cactus. This probably describes the lots of the areas in the Canary Islands, doesn't it?
Yeah, just
Like
waste ground.
barren, waste-type grounds.
You can't do anything with. You can't
Yeah.
grow anything on it.
Yeah, which are, you know, not particularly attractive, but then you get really nice developments in between it, and then some really exclusive developments by the sea.
Definitely looks like a prison.
Prison. Right, folks, after rehydrating, we are going to go from our hotel and we're going to walk along there, actually through El Medano, along the coast there, and see what we can see.
Bloke playing tennis over there. Has he got anything on?
Where? I think he might have. Got trunks on. Yeah, just swinging the bat, not swinging. Yeah, our room is there. Better view of our hotel now. Still looks slightly prison-like.
It does, yeah.
Yes, we're being quite careful where we pull our camera out here. Rugged, I think, rather than beautiful. Oh look, there's crabs, look. Little crabs. Oh look. Still just see our hotel. About to go around the headland a bit here. I think these are, Carol. What do you think that is? It looks big, doesn't it? And just for the Spanish speakers. Oh, that's low. It's like a harbour breakwater here, isn't it? I think this is properly El Medano here. Normal people. Me. Hey look, on the monkey bike. Nice, isn't it? Enjoying your ice cream.
It's very nice. Very nice.
Beach is nice, but we don't panel on the beach too much.
You're getting banned off.
Getting banned off YouTube. It's like a proper holiday resort here, isn't it? Busy. Here's the wooden walkway, look. It's really quite nice here. It's damn hot, but... Now Nick, if you're watching, your hotel mate, we're going to head this way. It's like these wooden walkways get somewhere. Fairly unusual. It's normally all stone, isn't it?
Yeah.
I quite like it here, Carol.
Nice.
It's nice. It's got good vibes, I think.
Yeah, nice feel without being
Yeah.
too intense.
So how much further are we walking, Carol?
Don't know.
We're at the other end of El Medano, which is a 3-kilometre walk from our hotel, which is round that way, isn't it? Can't see it now. Just a pity there aren't a few more surfers and kite surfers out.
It's just really still, isn't it?
I mean, that's a surf hotel player surf, and everything here is based around surfing, either surfing or windsurfing. Oh, Carol, what do you think of El Medano?
It's nice actually. It's got a nice atmosphere too. Lots of bars and restaurants and
Yeah.
nice beaches.
Yeah.
And not too intense. Quite nice, relaxed
I
surfing
think-
sort of feel to it, isn't it?
I think probably the worst part is the airplane noise, but you can see why so many people come out to Tenerife, can't you?
Definitely. Yeah.
I mean, this is a bleak sort of midwinter, end of January 2024. Okay, so all in all, it's about a 10k walk we've done today. So it's from both sides of our hotel, and it's
Been good to
lovely.
explore actually, hasn't it?
Yeah, been really good.
It's been nice.
So we're going to head back to our hotel now. Go and have another beer. But thanks very much for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye bye.